Okay, so this is a question under vector. So I'm about to start solving this question, so I want you all to pay attention on this one. So this is the question which one of the schools wrote in Karurush as common exam 2023. Yeah, so now the question reads: C is the midpoint of OB and AD to AB equals 1 to 3. The lines AC and OD intersect at X, like you have seen. AC, OD, there is X here, and then C is the midpoint of OB, like they have stated in the question. So now, this question, before you start answering, what you have to do first thing, interpolate these ratios you have seen here. Interpolate them, and then it will be easy for you to solve this question. So I'll start from there. So I'll start by interpreting this. So I'll say AD is equal to 1, and then AB is equal to 3. So meaning the whole distance AB is equal to 3, but AD equals 1. What about DB? What is DB there? So this 3, it's the distance for this, and then 1 is for AD. So DB is automatically 2. Where am I getting this 2? So here there is 1, and the total distance is 3. So 3 plus x equals to 3. When you solve that equation, you find that you get 2 here, or 1. For you to have 3, how many are you remaining with? We are remaining with 2. That's 2. So now let's start this. AD equals 1 over 3 of what? AB, like that. And then the other one is DB equals 2 over 3 of AB. You leave them like that. So now the first question says express in terms of A and stroke or B. AC, the distance AC, this distance. They're asking us about this distance AC. So in vectors, what we do, we move to the directions where it has been given. So for us to move AC, to find AC, we can't say AC equals AB and then BC. No, there is nothing here. We don't know here. We don't know yet, because AB, it's blank. So we'll say AC. I'll write it here. AC is equal to what? AC is equal to AO plus OC equals, so what is AO? AO, we have A. Now check the direction. We are going against the direction. We're coming from A going to O. So since we are going against the direction, A is going to be negative, plus OC. OC, there is BE, you have seen. So this is OC. And then in vector, it's very advisable that variables or numbers with negative should be inside. So we write this as B minus A. So this is AC. Now you have seen on the diagram, they have said that OB is equal to CB, because this to my line means that the distance from here to there is one and the same. So even here automatically you have what? B. So now let's proceed. The next question is saying find B. B, it is saying AB. I'll write it here. B, to find here B equals, check where here B is, AB. So to find here B, we're going to say AB equals AO plus OB. So now let's put what the distance given. AO, it's negative A plus OB. Here we have B and we have B there. B plus B, it's 2B. So 2B. Like I said, the negative one should be inside 2B minus A. So this is the distance for what? AB. Now let's now get back to this one. Since we have found AB, now let's now interpolate this nicely. 1 over 3, open brackets, you put 2B minus A, close brackets, and then expand this. So 1 times 2B is going to be 2 over 3B, and then 1 times negative A is going to be negative A over 3, like this. So this is AG. Even this one, let's do the same. 2 over 3, open brackets, AB, the distance for AB is 2A minus A, this one. Now let's expand this. 2 times 2, it's 4B over 3 minus 2 times A is going to be 2 over 3A. So this is GB. I hope you are following. So now the next one is saying, the next question is saying, find the OD. OD. Let's check where OD is. OD. OD, this one. So OD, we can go if you want. OD equals OB, BD, O, A, D. Whichever you feel like you can use, you can take it that way. So C, O, D equals OD equals OA. This is the way I'm going to use OA plus AG, like that. So what is OA? OA, we have A plus AD. AD, we are from interpolating this one. Have you seen the benefit of interpolating this? So we just have to get this one. It's going to be 2 over 3B minus A over 3. Collections of like terms. A, we also have A. So A minus 3, A over 3 plus 2 over 3B. Now let's solve this. This is a fraction, so we'll say this times this will balance a fraction like this. This times this times that, and then we'll solve that one. So this times this is 3A. 1 times negative A, it's negative A, over 1 times 3, it's 3, plus 2 over 3B. And then when we simplify what is on top, we're going to have 2A over 3 plus 2 over 3B. So this is OD. And then Roman numeral 2, it is saying, given that OX equals OD, first you end here, don't proceed to this one. First answer this one, OX. So OX, now let's start. I'll write it here. OX equals H O D. So this H means scalar. It's a scalar, H. So you write H and then you open brackets, you put OD, the one you're from solving, 2 over 3A plus 2 over 3B. And then simplify things now. This H should multiply with this one, also with this one. So H times 2 over 3A is going to be 2 over 3. H should be inside. Plus H times 2 over 3B is going to be 2 over 3HB. So this is OX. And then the question continues like, prove that CX is equal to open brackets 2 over 3H minus 1 close brackets B plus 2 over 3HA. Now for this one it's about proving, so you just get it the way it is. CX is equal to, how we are going to move now, CX. So for you, the movement you're going to make, this one OX should be in your movement for you to prove this one. So now go on the diagram now, check where CX is. So CX is this one. So for you to move CX, you're going to say CX equals CO plus OX. Take note on that one. The one with scalar should be in the movements. So CO, what is CO? CO, we are going against the direction, so it's negative B plus OX, we have this one, 2 over 3HA plus 2 over 3HB. Now upper, it's about observing what is happening. Check here what they did. So what they did is this: they collected like terms. This is what they did, and the like terms you have B, negative B, and this one. So what they did, they started with this one. They did like this: 2 over 3HB minus B plus this one, 2 over 3HA. And then the next step they did was factorizing to find what is common. So what is common here? The common part is what? B. So what they did is this: open brackets, they, after removing the common one, or after looking for the factor, what is going to remain is, when we remove B, we're going to remain with 2 over 3H minus, here we remove B, we're going to remain with 1. And then the common one, or the factor B, has to be outside, and then they dropped 2 over 3HA CX. So this is what they did. So the big point is that when you make a mistake somewhere here, then you fail to prove this one because there's a mistake somewhere. So make sure whatever you're doing here, you're doing it nicely. After doing that, since they said prove that, so you just say hence proved. Yeah, this is what you are supposed to do on this question. Vector under n vector, this is what you're supposed to do. Thank you.